Basically, this video that you're about to watch ngizochaza nje ukuthi how the Sjava feature came about. Sanibonani, I go by the name Vernotile. Ngangibiza ngoVeno, Vivi, V, Miss V, whichever one feels comfortable kuwena. Kodwa nje munga usungibiza ngoVernotile. Okay, today kahle ngizonixoxela nje ukuthi the Sjava feature, how it came about. I think this is the biggest feature in my entire career. Jena nokuthi abaziyo bayazi ukuthi but this Sjava, I respect him so much. He's an icon. Anzo was in studio. I was in Johannesburg, Orange Farm, with Leverage. So he came to studio to record the verse, his verse. Randomly, what's hey, no, hey, flavor lapha. I'm not gonna lie, I was very shy because I was nervous, not shy, nervous. Ngoba sengiyazi ukuthi ingoma kaSjava. So you're making me back you up and go kaSjava. I'm like, this is crazy. So I did that. He liked it, and then he had to give it to Rafu. Apparently they liked it. Nomnikazi wayingoma wayithanda and wacana ukuthi naye ngimbek. A proud moment. I was excited to him back, and the song came back, and I did just that. Got a call from Smangali Sonchangase from Isolezwe. Ati he wants to write about me. I'm like, nakona ngichatting a prank. I'm like, but I know this guy's face. And then yeah, we do the interview. We interview show me some of the people that I'd like to work with here in Sjava, because solo nje umculo waSjava, hey abaziyo bayazi. I don't even want to explain because akuchazeki. And then he wrote that was the headline ukuthi ngilobizela ukwenza ingoma noSjava. Sjava saw that and he was like, okay, I'm gonna out you as a feature. I've never been so happy and proud. This is a stamp for me. This is my first stamp, you know. I've never been umuntu ohleze yasebenza mina, but you know, this one hits home. Yeah, it's a stamp ukuthi I know khona lento ekhona ngami, and I am going somewhere, and yeah, ngizobopha nje bethu kakhulu. Nje yonke lento engiyicabangayo ngami noma engiyifisela yona ngami nomculo wami izokwenzeka. Ngafuna uqhamanga, ngijabule kakhulu, ngazi nje ngiyathandaza, and I'd like to give ukubonga kwami okukhulu Anzo, Silwane, Sjava, Leverage. Nam ngineza ukubonga okukhulu. Ngibonge nalabo abanginikeza leli phimbo leli, because kunje nje ilona. Ask her. Anyways, please go look out for the song Amakhehla Sjava featuring UDUMAKAHLE Anzo and To Vernotile.